guys, it's the Pinoy Boy Videos here today, and today the elves have moved. At least one of them have first. So this guy right here is not an elf on the shelf. He's a plushie, but he still moved either way. And when I checked the camera was angled like this, facing up. So it could mean that the elf moved it and then he moved. Because if you move the camera like this, you can't see what's going on in front. So maybe that's what happened. So I'm gonna try to keep this like that. And here are the other elves, and you can see how he went here, he jumped off, and then he must have walked all the way here. That's crazy. How did I not get footage? Well, I'll show you some footage of how the camera was turned around somehow. So this is what the elves' camera should look like. But then you can see that in this footage right here, which was last night, the camera was turned facing up. Okay, and then let's open up my advent calendar. Advent calendar. I'm gonna open it up next to this guy. Okay, we'll have to wait one moment. Okay guys, we've got the wrapping paper off. Now let's look for the first. Oh, right there. That's the first. Let's see what we got. We got a ball of chocolate. Let's open this up. One hand is hard. You're filming, but then at the same time, you're still trying to open it. It has broken off slightly. Here we go. So here's the little chocolate that we got. It's from Lintdoor. Looks pretty good. Now let's give it a taste test. So good. I'll give that a 9.5 out of 10. Really good. You should go check this out, this advent calendar. Well, that's it for today, guys. Have a wonderful Christmas, Merry Christmas, and celebrate it with your family.